新年快乐!
Celebrating the Chinese New Year. Students in the Chinese dual language program at Hilton and Island Elementary School are excited to be learning about the Chinese holiday. Students in several classes are making traditional Chinese foods like dumplings.
捏起来它就像一个 taco， 像不像？
We're making dumplings in Chinese. It's called 饺子, where you make dough by adding flour, water, eggs, and a bit of salt. And you're supposed to get raw ground beef to put in. You put some onions and some seasonings. You wrap it up in a way that looks okay. And then you put it to heat up.
As the students are folding the dough, they're also learning about the significance of the dumpling in the Chinese culture.
Dumplings, the shape of it looks like the old currency when in ancient China, people cut the currency into the shape like that. 1/10, 对不对? So when we eat that, we are hoping we will have a wealthy year. You know, we are having a lot of the money in our bowls, in our plates. So that's what we hope.
Students in 3rd grade are learning how to make spring rolls.
We took the spring rolls and we bought these wraps, and then we put in these mushrooms that like grow on trees and they're white, and then we put in some veggies, we put in some carrots, and we put in a tiny bit of soy sauce.
Students in 4th grade took part in a project folding lucky money envelopes. The gift is traditionally given to children on New Year's.
So we took the ballots that elderly would normally put money in and give it to the children. So we folded them into fish. It took 6, so we folded them into fish, and yu, which is fish, sounds like prosperity. So fish is a very popular food to have on New Year's.
The Chinese New Year is January 22nd, and it's the Year of the Rabbit. At Hilton and Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.